Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're doing an NG unboxing video. Before we get into it, I know I said it was Aviation week, and I know I told you I was gonna upload 7 times. Regardless, you're getting 7 uploads through the month of November. That's probably the rest you're gonna get for the year. Maybe, just maybe, because I procrastinate too much. But hopefully I'll get a couple more videos in for you guys. But let's get into this unboxing. Quick story about this airplane. I ordered this back in April. It didn't show up till October. It's November right now. Yeah, that's not right. Like, come on, that guy's model airplane store. You gotta do it better. You can't just do it like that. But let's start off with this. It's my first NG model, because I've waited that long and I got a refund, and so this is basically a free NG model. Here it is, the front of the box. I like the way NG does their boxes. It's a lot better than Gemini Jets because they're very bland, they're very, you know, just standard blue and stuff. But let's do the sides. The sides here are like the same, but this little part, this really makes it for me. That's what I really like to see. That there's a computer generated image, Southwest. The back of the box, back is pretty much the same as the front, except it doesn't have this stuff. It's just got choking hazards and stuff, so they don't get sued for legal reasons. But let's get into this unboxing. So NG does the clear parts here, so this is clear, unlike Gemini Jets where it's blue then clear on the top. A lot easier to get out than Gemini Jets. There she is. I'm using the 8 currently because I'm too lazy to put together my GoPro rig, and I probably will be getting the 9, so I know this isn't a tech channel or anything, but I think I'm gonna get the 9 and use the 9 as a primary camera again and do a review on it, because why the heck not? But there she is. She is looking beautiful. I really like this model. I've only taken it out of the box once to see if it was damaged, because if it was damaged, I would have flipped out. Here's an 800 from Gemini Jets. It doesn't have the split scimitars, but you can just get it for a quick comparison. Yeah, the NG's definitely lower to the ground. Let me bring these over. I don't have that zoom capability as I do it. Oh, it's a lot quieter when you pull it too. Yeah, but I think that's gonna do it for this model review. Please make sure to leave a comment on what you want me to do, because I still owe you guys 5 more uploads. I have one of them planned, so you got 4 uploads. Y'all can choose. I can do whatever. And we're almost to 200. I can't believe I'm saying this, but we're almost to 200. Thank you all so much for 1K views on the Spirit video. I really appreciate that. And follow me on Instagram at Aviation. I do plane spotting over there, and I'll tell you when these videos are coming out, so you won't be left in the dark. I do a lot of stuff on my Discord server. Links in the description. And oh yeah, the Discord server, you get to actually watch the videos before they go live. But yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please comment on what you want me to do. I owe you 5 more uploads, which is a lot of uploads. And I guess I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.